think about putting together our observing equipment. Oh, but even before that, here is the caution which will be repeated again and again. Never ever look at the sun directly. It is not a good idea to do that even at sunrise. It will be better to use filters always while looking at the sun. The safest, of course, will be to look at the projected image of the sun. However, if you have a digital camera, you could point it to the sun at sunrise, looking at the LCD viewfinder and image the sunrise. Use a tripod if you are going to use the optical zoom, and you should be able to capture very good views of the transit. The first of our equipment will thus be the digital camera, and more particulars on this will be discussed soon. And then eclipse goggles. You may wish to purchase these and keep enough to go around and allow everyone a view of the event easily accessible. One should keep in mind that a naked eye view with solar filters will just about show Venus on the disk of the sun, as the size of the disk of Venus is at the limit of naked eye visibility. In fact, it will be a very good exercise to have everyone in your team try to view Venus on the sun through eclipse goggles and describe exactly what they have seen. And then projection equipment. We should certainly have at least one projection setup ready in our observing location. The workshop will demonstrate the making of the projection boxes facilitated by the planetarium staff, and also give to each participating school one small refractor facilitated by Vigyan Prasar and Space. Very good projected images of the sun can be obtained with this setup, good enough for quantitative projects by students. With these projection boxes, we get good sized 200 mm kind of sized projected image of the sun. We can have a back projection as in this, or a front projection in the box, back projection with a kind of a translucent sheet where the screen is supposed to be, and we still get safe views of the sun. In the front projection box, we could have a peephole on the side, or where the telescope is inserted, and we can see that we get large sized images of the sun. If we have a projection of this kind without shading and the screen not far from the telescope, we will get small sized and the contrast will not be very good. Whereas the advantage of making the boxes is that we get good contrast. Here we can see these are the views from 2004 when the transit of Venus was being seen with these boxes, and the girl is actually pointing out where the Venus is at that time.